65,536. Let us find the square root. Square root of 65,536. Here I will show you two methods. First is factorial method. Factorize and division method. To find square root of any number, there are two methods, factorization method and division method. Let us see factorization method. You have to take the number 65,536 and go on dividing it into factors. Here, by seeing the units place, it is 6 here, so you can divide it with 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, but 1 left here, and 2 7 is 14, 1 left, 2 6 is 12, 1 left, and 2 8 is 16. Okay, now 65,536 has been divided by 2 by giving 32,768 as a quotient. Okay, here we got one factor, 2 is a factor here. So go on dividing the number, continuous division takes place here, and we are getting factors here. This is the we are making number into small tiny pieces called factors. 2 1 is 2, 1 left here, and no need to cut it like that, I forgot about it. 2 6 is 12, and 2 3 is 6, 1 left, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8. Okay, then 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 1 left here, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4. Still there is a chance with 2 table. 2 4 is 8. Oh, it is 1. Don't be panic. 2 0 is 0. 1 left here. So 2 9 is 18 and 1 left here. That's why 2 6 is 12. Okay. 2 2 is 4. 2 0 is 0. 2 4 is 8. Since it is 9, 1 left here. 2 8 is 16. 2 1 is 2, 2 0 is 0, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2 2 is 2 2 is 4, 1 left here, 2 5 is 10, 1 left, 6 is 12. 2 1 is 2 is 8 is 2 6 4 is 2 3 is 2 is 2 1 is 1 left here, 6 is 12. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is. Okay, so there is no need at all to go with any another number. Only 2 table is sufficient, and we have got so many pieces, so many factors. Let us count how many 2's we got here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So the number is 2 to the power of 16. We can write it in this manner, 2 to the power of 16. Our number, whatever the 65,000 65,536 is there, we can write it as 2 to the power of 16. And finding square root means square root of 2 to the power square, we are going to find here square root of square root is denoted with this symbol. Square root of 65,536 means square root of, we have to find square root of 2 to the power of 16. And finding 2 to the power of 16th square root means square root is nothing but we have to reduce the power into half. Whatever the number of 2's are here, in order to get 65,536, 16 2's are needed to multiply to get 65,536. And if we want half of them, that is 2 to the power of 8, means 2 to the power of 8 and 2 to the power of 8. Square root means we are making two equal factors. So here what are the equal factors? Two equal factors. We know 16 2's on multiplying will give 65,536. Not 16, only tell me any two numbers which would multiply among themselves and produce 65,536 means simply it's 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 into 2 to the power of 8 will give 65,536. That's why. Then what is 2 to the power of 8? Is there any need to multiply once again? 2 to the power of 8 means you have to multiply 2 8 times, but no need. You have to go to 1 2 3 4. If 2 2's are multiplied, you get 4. If 3 2's are multiplied, you will get 8. So if 8 2's are multiplied, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, you will get 256. So this is the square root. So this is the square root, 256. Okay. Factorization method. Whatever we have done here, the number is divided into factors. Total number of factors are only 2's. How many 2's? We got 16 2's. So half the number of the factors is the square root. 256 is the square root. If at all there is a if you need verification, you can verify it. 256 into 256. Here multiplication goes on like this. In my method, it is Napier's method. 256 has to be written on the top side, and on the right side I wrote it like that, and in between two digits I am drawing a line here. In between 2 and 5 I am drawing, so that each number can stand upon a column. 2 column, 5 column, 6 column. Similarly in this case. And every box has to be drawn a diagonal from top right corner to bottom left side, so that we can write a two digit product in that box. For example, this box is related to 2 6. So whatever the product of 2 and 6 is there, I am going to write here. It is 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 5 are 10. 2 2 are 4. If at all you get a single digit, you have to put 0 at 10th digit. So 0 4. 5 6 is 30. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 6 6 is 36, 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12, and after this you have to add the numbers 6 in this manner, slanting. You can find the lines here, slant lines here. Combining these all the diagonals, you will get diagonal lines, slant lines. You are going to do how many additions? 1 2 3 4 5 6 totally. Now here 6 summed up to 6, here 0 3 and 0 summed up to 3, here 2 3 will become 5, adding on to 5 will become 10, and 3 more will become 13, and 2 will be adding with 2, it will become 15. Only units place has to be written here. What about the 1? It has to be carried to another line. So 1 and 1 will become 2, 2 and 2 will become 4, 4 and 1 will become 5. Okay. And here 1 and 4 will become 5, 5 and 5 and 1 will become 6. Here nothing is there. Okay. So the number is 65536. 65536. So you can see the 256 into 256, we got 65,536. 65,536. So all the lines are added here. This is the number 65,536. Here we found the square root like this.